This is not just a bike. It's a rocket on wheels, built for speed, precision, and adrenaline. Today, we're diving into the wild world of racing bikes and why they're faster, lighter, and smarter than you ever imagined. Picture this. You and your buddies out for a leisurely ride. But then you see it, a flash of color disappearing into the horizon. Before you know it, your buddies are gone. Poof, vanished like magic. How did they get so far ahead? Why does their bike look different? And what sorcery is this? Well, my inquisitive friend, it's the kind of magic that happens when science, technology, and sheer grit come together. And today we break down exactly why those sleek machines and the athletes who wield them are faster than you think. So let's get started. Why do racing bikes have such big gears? What makes bikes go faster? And how do bikes work? Great questions, inquisitive one. Let's break it down. Most racing bikes are made from carbon fiber, the material of choice for aerospace and automotive industries. Why? Because it's super light, super strong, and with advanced manufacturing techniques, it's lighter than aluminum or steel while being equally strong. The average racing bike frame weighs just a few pounds, making it a featherweight compared to other vehicles. But it's not just about the frame. Everything on a racing bike is designed to minimize weight without sacrificing strength or performance. For example, aerodynamic wheels reduce drag and rolling resistance, allowing the bike to move through the air and over the road with minimal effort. Okay, so the bike is light and aerodynamic. That makes sense. But what else could possibly make these bikes go faster? Well, how about the rider? Because on a racing bike, the rider becomes part of the machine. They're in an aerodynamic position, crouched low to the ground with skin-tight gear tested in wind tunnels. Yes, wind tunnels. It's all about reducing drag and maximizing speed. Kind of like Formula One drivers, except instead of a car, they're riding a bike. Speaking of cars, did you know that every 1% less drag results in more watts to go faster? Imagine pushing your car up a hill with your foot. It's hard, right? Now imagine reducing the friction. Suddenly it's easier. That's the effect of a streamlined design and reduced drag. On a bike, it can make the difference between winning and losing. Wait, it gets better. These bikes are equipped with insane tech, the kind that you might find in a spaceship. No, seriously, electronic shifting so precise it's like using a gaming controller. Power meters that track how much force you put into every pedal stroke, gathering data to help riders fine-tune their performance. And hydraulic disc brakes that provide stopping power even in a downpour at 60 kilometers per hour. This isn't your grandma's bike. This is cutting-edge engineering and technology on two wheels. You might be thinking, wow, this bike stuff is crazy. But actually, it's just a small part of a much bigger picture. The world of bike racing is intense. It's a test of strength, endurance, and strategy. Riders train for months, even years for one race, pushing their bodies to the limit. And the competition is fierce, whether it's the legendary Tour de France or a weekend criterium. Knowing when to attack, how to draft behind other riders, and how to time your sprints is like playing chess, but at 50 kilometers an hour. It's a thrilling game of cat and mouse where only the smartest and fastest survive. And then there's the community. If you thought knitting circles were passionate, try joining a group ride with a bunch of cyclists. The camaraderie is unlike anything you've experienced. These folks are addicted to pain, speed, and glory, and they're always looking for new recruits. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room. You don't need a Tour de France budget to experience the thrill of speed on a bike. In fact, you probably already have everything you need in your garage right now. A bike, any bike, can be a gateway to a whole new world of adventure, exercise, and fun. So grab a bike, join a ride, feel the wind, the burn, and the buzz of the community. Once you go fast, there's no going back. Now, if you've made it this far, chances are you're as hooked on speed as we are. So don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your cycling crew. And tell us, how fast have you gone on two wheels? Who knows? Maybe one day soon you'll be the one leaving everyone else in the dust. Thanks for watching. See you next time.